Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change call screen wallpaper. So guys, there are so many apps that you can use to change call screen wallpaper. So for that, at first, just go to your Play Store or App Store in your device. Now in the top search bar, search for call screen wallpaper. Now after searching it, you will find there are so many apps that can change call screen wallpaper. I'm just going to the first one. Now just install it. Now just launch this app. Now just select wallpaper. So guys, now if you want to unlock this wallpaper, you will find two options here: get it now and get premium. If you click on the first option, get it now, you need to watch an ad, and if you want to go pro by get premium, you need to just purchase it, and after that you can set theme or wallpaper for call screen. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.